What is going on, everybody? As you can see here, we have a few varieties of Apple's new official first-party offerings for the new iPhone 17 series, including bringing back FineWoven in its wallet form. Not the cases anymore, but I did pick this up just to show you a comparison between TechWoven and FineWoven. And then as you can see also, like I said, we have a 17 Pro Max TechWoven in green and another TechWoven case as well for the Pro Max. And then also the new iPhone Air bumper case that they brought back. That is going to be a little different than the one they offered previously in that light blue colorway. I have a ton of third-party options coming if you want to save some money on some of these cases, as they are somewhat pricey. I'll throw all those links up down below. Let me know in the comments what you think about TechWoven, but from everything I've seen, this looks to be a significant improvement over what the dreaded FineWoven was. So let's set these to the side for now and talk right about the new TechWoven cases. So as you can see here, the main new change is that massive new cutout for the new camera control, or camera design I should say, and this is just called green and this is called Sienna. So typical Apple unboxing, we have that one tear port. Throw that to the side and let's slide this out. And oh yeah, got to do it. The fingernail test right off the bat. If you did this on FineWoven, it got scratched right from your nail right off the bat. And let's go ahead and hear that again. Definitely looks good and no marks. So let's go ahead and lift this up. And then you're going to have your typical reading material, not too much. Don't even know why it's needed aside from regulatory information, and pluck that to the side. So here we are, nice cutouts. You have your camera control on the side. You can see all of the interior magnet ring for MagSafe, but what you don't see is that suede softer interior here, unfortunately. It is still just FineWoven outside and in. I will say this feels a little more flush than what you get on the back, but that is exactly what that looks like. And then for Sienna, let's take a look at this one. Okay, I actually like this color a little more than I thought I was. We'll go ahead and leave the reading material there, toss that to the side, and here you go. So, two of Apple's latest TechWoven accessories. Listen to that. It's definitely much nicer here, as you can tell. It looks really good. Power button, volume rockers, all of the cutouts. Oh, I did forget about the lanyard loops, or whatever you want to call it, for that strap, if that's something you're interested in using. Obviously, we are still waiting on our iPhone 17 models, including the Air and the Pro Max. So we have our 16 Pro Max currently, and if you were to try to snap this into the case, you can see it actually does fit pretty well, and look at that. The buttons actually work. Camera control. How about that one, guys? Not bad. Let's actually, I want to test something really quick. Can we actually zoom in to get, oh, look at this. You can actually get a macro shot here to see all of those new interwoven material here. Different colors, that's giving you that different look. That's actually pretty neat. Anyways, aside from it looking a little strange, it definitely is going to work, as you can see. I'm not sure if that's something you're interested in, but if that is something you want, you can at least use this. It does look like all the ports line up pretty well also, so there would be no concern with that. Volume rocker. Yep, it works perfectly well. Interesting. It's hard to imagine these both work, considering how much thicker the new 17 Pro Max should be from the actual 16 Pro Max, but yeah, nonetheless it does. Let's go ahead and slide this one on, and there you go. You can see what that Sienna looks like. We obviously will be putting these on the 17 Pro Max as well once we receive them, but I just wanted to give you somewhat of a first look here for these two cases. Let's go ahead and set these over to the side for now and open up that FineWoven accessory so you can get a look at the difference here in material. And right off the bat, holding it in my hand, it just does not feel as premium anymore. And again, when you scratch it, you can see those lines already right off the bat. That is just such a disappointing quality of this, considering these price points. So yeah, do with that as you wish, but I just wanted to show you. And there you go. It actually recognized everything for the wallet and everything else as it typically does when you attach it. I don't think it's terrible. I do like these colors, but if you want to see, these aren't even identical greens. The actual FineWoven looks a little darker than the TechWoven. Hope it picks up good on camera for you, but even all that aside, maybe you like the darker color. It's that scratches that you pick up so easily. Like you saw, I ran my finger over it a couple times and it is already marked. So yeah, a little disappointing there. We're not going to spend too much time talking about that. Now, if you were interested and purchased the new 17 Air, this is the new, I should say iPhone Air since they're not calling it the 17. This is the new bumper case for that. As you can see as well, it does have those lanyard loops if that's something you're interested in, but this is purely going to be a bumper case for it. Again, assortment of colors, but this is that blue. This is something Apple hasn't made in a number of years, but it's back. It is purely that frame. It is definitely a little more solid than I remember them being, and you do still have now that camera control obviously on the side. Don't have the iPhone Air. We have a little printout that we made. I don't even know how these dimensions are going to fit, but it's not going to go in as you would hope. But this is all you're getting with that offering as well. I do like the color. I did get the sky blue iPhone Air, so we'll be able to do a hands-on with that as soon as that comes in. So, as you can see, these are the 4 new first-party accessories that Apple did unveil and announce for the new 17 series. There are silicone cases. If you want to see those, comment down below and let me know. I will throw up links for all of these down below as well. So if you're interested in picking them up, I greatly appreciate if you use those links. It helps out the channel immensely. And then also, let me know, like I said in the comments, what do you think about this TechWoven case? Are you a fan? Are you going to pick one up? What iPhone models did you order for this year? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.